This song is my new jam. Like, literally. Hello. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hope y'all are doing great. Hope today is a great day, night, evening, wherever you may be. Today's video is going to be all about my Sephora haul. Yes, I bought stuff. I got a gift card from John for Christmas to Sephora, and then I spent my own money as well. So with the amount of stuff that I got, I was like, you know what? I'm going to do Sephora haul. I did an Ulta haul. It didn't do so well, but I had only bought like so many things, and it was like little dinky things. So this video is going to be a little more exciting. So if you haven't already, I put up a video of me chopping off my hair. So if you haven't seen it, I will link it right here. Super nerve-wracking, but I'm happy I did it. So, of course, Lulu wants to join the party. Oh, this is my baby girl. This is Lulu. Hi. She wants to see everything. So if you see the fluffy tail in the video, that's her. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. It'd mean the world to me if you became a Julesy. And let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. For starters, I got the Farsali Unicorn Essence. It comes in this purple box, packaging, whatever you want to call it. And this is what the little component looks like. Has a little dropper. I'm sure you've seen it on Instagram or whatever, but you just drop it onto your face. Kind of smells like cotton candy. I used it yesterday, so you'll get the video. I did a full face of first impressions that will be coming in 1 or 2 days. I'm gonna put this video up first. So I got this. I wanted to try it. You can use it as a moisturizer, you can use it as a primer, I guess. So I'm gonna continue to play around with this and see how I like it and go from there. The second item I got was this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation. I love the packaging on this box, the gradient blue to purple and the gold. I'm actually wearing this foundation on my face today. It is a little more, I think it's like medium coverage or whatever. So it's light to medium. I had to put 2 layers of this on. This is what the bottle looks like. It has a dropper again. It's not a pump where you can just pump it on your face or pump it onto the back of your hand, or where you just pour it onto the back of your hand and then you disperse it all over your face. I do like this because then I can just take the dropper and like kind of put it everywhere. This bottle is like real glass, which is nice, and I am in the shade Porcelain. So far I'm liking this foundation. As I was saying, I'm in the shade Porcelain. I'm going to continue to play around with this, see how I like it, maybe mix it in with other foundations and see how that goes. And can we talk about these cookies? Why are they so good? I've literally loved them my entire life. They're my favorite, so. Don't hate. I see the judgment, don't hate. I'm a chef, but I'm allowed to like junk food too, okay? The third item in my haul is the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I have the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder, and I am like this close to being out. So I wanted to try something new and decided to invest in this. Again, I'm wearing this today. I like it. It feels so nice, and it does have a little bit, I mean, you can't really see it on camera, but it does have a little bit of a tint to it, but it doesn't come out like that on your face. The big and exciting, I mean, all my items, I guess, are exciting, but the fourth and fifth items I got are these Sephora Pro palettes. I have seen tutorials with these and I wanted to try them out for myself. I love the packaging of this editorial one, the blue holographic sort of look. I love it. It's nice and edgy. And then this one is just silver packaging. Classic silver and black, looks very chic. So I'm going to show you the palette and then I'm going to insert some swatches just so you can actually see what these are like. And what's nice about these eyeshadow palettes is it comes with a book or I don't know, a pamphlet where you can literally create looks with what they suggest, I guess. So you open it up, comes with a mirror protector and it has all of the names on it, so don't throw this away if you have it. This is what the palette looks like. I think it's so beautiful. I love all of the pops of color and I played around with the Cool Tone one today. It's on my eyes. They are powdery. I wasn't expecting them to be like that powdery, but they are. For the pro, like for the pros and cons so far, the Cool Tone palette, I played with it. I have it on my eyes today. It is very powdery. There's a lot of kickback, whatever you want to call it. But the shadows do blend very nice. So, like, all eyeshadow palettes have some fallout, have some kick up. But the main thing you want to focus on is if they blend seamlessly and together very well. So far, I think that's what they do. This is from the editorial palette. I did build these shades up. These three right here are duochrome. They're a little harder to see, but I'm sure some setting spray or MAC Fix Plus will help with that. And again, the Cool Tone palette comes with a little booklet as well on which looks to create. So this is what the packaging of the palette looks like. It looks just like the box. And again, it comes with a mirror protector with all of the shade names on it. And then this is what the Cool Tone eyeshadow palette looks. It kind of looks a little dirty. I mean, to you guys it probably doesn't, but in person it does. Here are some swatches from the Cool Tone palette. This shade here and this shade here are going to need a bit of MAC Fix Plus or a setting spray. They are duochrome, but I tried to get the colors with the most color payoff. I am liking them. They're not, I'm noticing, they're not as great quality as my Morphe shadows are. So, I don't know. They did, these palettes did feel nice though when I swatched them and they had a lot of color payoff. So, I just have to play around with it. Maybe I can use it for my Disney Princess inspired tutorials and just see how it goes. And if I don't like it, then what can you do? So when you purchase things on Sephora's website or in the store, you have reward points. So with this purchase, I had a ton of rewards points, so I wanted to use them on things that I thought were nice. So I got these two little Origins Original Skin. This one is a cleansing makeup removing jello with jello. So this one is a cleansing makeup removing jelly with willow herb. I'm very curious to see how this works. Never used the jelly to remove my makeup. I just use my Neutrogena makeup remover cleansing towels. I cannot talk today. So, oh, it is like a jelly. That's weird. It smells good. And then the second little tube that came in is the matte moisturizer with willow herb. I've been using this for 2 days and it seriously makes my skin feel so good. It hydrates my skin so well, and oh my god, this is good. So yeah, I'm gonna buy it. Yeah. The second little sample size thing I got is the Make It Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. This is a hydrating primer. I've also been using this to test it out. Yeah, this is what the little teeny bottle. It feels nice, but I like my Maybelline Blur and Smooth primer. So, and the next couple of things that I got are these perfume samples. This one is Woman by Ralph Lauren. This smells so effing good. So good. Literally, it comes in, has a little pamphlet and this little thing right here. So you take it out and you literally, you get this much. You spray it once, this shit, oh my gosh. I love this though. I'm gonna have to go to like Marshall's or TJ Maxx and see if I can get this for a discounted price, because I will not pay forever how much it is. I might even try to find it with Scentbird. If you don't know what Scentbird is, it's a perfume subscription. So I literally just started it. I'm seeing how I like it. So this next perfume that I got is Acqua di Gio Giorgio Armani. This is for like men, so I will be giving this to my boyfriend John and see how he likes it. I think it smells, I don't know, it could be like for guys and girls because I like the way it smells, but has this model on the inside, so I'm like, well, I guess it's for men, but it smells good. So, and the last little thing that I got in this haul is this Atelier Cologne Santal Carmine. Comes with a cute, it's an actual postcard. It says he had a spark from an early age with a sharp intuition and limitless curiosity. One day they would call him a revolutionary. The moment he had come to fight for his dreams and bring his ideas to the world, possibly a new era would begin. So, this one is definitely for guys. Like, I tried smelling it. That's it, y'all, for this Sephora haul. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I enjoyed showing everyone what I got. If you have any useful tips on how to make these products work better for myself that you have figured out, then just leave me a comment down below in the comment section. If you guys like this sort of video, then give it a thumbs up. And like I said, if you haven't yet already, please subscribe to my channel. It's that little red button right here. It'd mean the world to me, and I hope to catch you all on the next video. Bye!